Hi, good morning students. In this video, there are 100 bits with answers from nutrition, first chapter of 10th biology. It helps you easy and quick revision. Answers are with suitable diagrams for easy understanding and long memory. Which life process gives us food and oxygen? Or the process that make plants universal food providers is photosynthesis. Name the finger-like projections present in small intestine. Villi. Give an example for parasitic plant. Dodder plant. Scientific name is Cuscuta reflexa. How many salivary glands are present in human beings? 3 pairs. What are the assimilatory powers? ATP and NADPH. Give examples for saprophytes. Fungi, that is bread mold, yeast, mushroom, etc. Which vitamin deficiency leads to nervous disorders? Biotin. What are the root-like structures in Cuscuta that penetrate into the host plant for absorbing food materials? Hastoria. Amoeba takes food by using temporary finger-like extensions. What are they? Pseudopodia. Overeating and excess of calories intake causes obesity. What are the end products of photosynthesis? Glucose, oxygen, and water. Which disease occurs when there is an immediate second pregnancy or repeated childbirths? Marasmus. Which pigment starts photosynthesis? Chlorophyll. Which vitamin is synthesized by bacteria present in intestine? Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. What are the colors of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B? Chlorophyll A, blue-green in color. Chlorophyll B, yellow-green in color. Hemoglobin contains iron atoms, while chlorophyll contains magnesium atoms. How many magnesium atoms are present in each chlorophyll pigment? Only one. Vitamin K deficiency leads to delay in blood clotting or overbleeding. Which gas is utilized and which gas is liberated during photosynthesis? Utilized gas is carbon dioxide and released gas is oxygen. What are the requirements for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, water, chloroplast, and light. Which digestive juice contains no enzymes? Bile juice secreted by liver. What are the end products of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in digestion? End products of carbohydrates: glucose, proteins, amino acids, fats, fatty acids, and glycerol. What is the meaning of chlorophyll in Latin? Green leaf. Vitamin B12 deficiency leads to pernicious anemia. How many phases are there in photosynthesis? What are they? There are two phases in photosynthesis. They are photochemical phase, biosynthetic phase. The smallest unit of light energy is photon. How many pigment molecules are grouped as light harvesting complex in granum? Around 250 to 400. Who discovered chlorophyll? Pelletier and Covenshew. Where does photosynthesis take place? Or what are the sites of photosynthesis? Chloroplast. Who discovered chloroplast? Julius Van Sachs. Who showed oxygen is released from water? Robert Hill. Which ions are produced from water during photolysis? Hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions. Which vitamin deficiency leads to pellagra? Vitamin B3, niacin. Where does dark reaction take place? Stroma of chloroplast. What are the enzymes that act on proteins? Pepsin, trypsin, and peptidase. Who coined the name oxygen? Lavoisier. How many chloroplasts are present in plant cells? About 40 to 100. Give examples for autotrophs. Plants, algae, and photosynthetic bacteria. Give examples for heterotrophs. Animals. Give examples for parasites. Lice, leech, tapeworm, cuscuta plant, etc. Protein deficiency in diet leads to, or protein malnutrition causes. KWASHIORKOR. What are the fat-soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, D, E, and K. Expand RUBP. Ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. Bile juice and pancreatic juice secreted into duodenum. Which vitamin deficiency leads to beriberi? Vitamin B1, thiamine. Who discovered oxygen? Joseph Priestley. Which plants can be used for the experiment to prove that oxygen is liberated during photosynthesis? Hydrilla, Elodea. Nature of the saliva is alkaline nature. Which chemical is used to test the presence of starch? Or which chemical is used as starch indicator? Iodine or betadine? Where does light reaction take place? Grana thylakoids. What are the end products of light reaction? ATP, NADPH, and oxygen. Name the enzyme present in the saliva. Tyalin or salivary amylase. What are the enzymes that act on carbohydrates? Tyalin, amylase, and sucrase. What are the enzymes that act on fats? Lipase. Fats are converted into small globule-like forms by the help of bile juice. This process is called emulsification. What is the process of transporting the products of digestion from intestine to blood? Absorption. Which acid is produced in stomach? Or Which acid is present in the gastric juice? Hydrochloric acid. What is the process of breaking up complex food substances into the simple substances by specific enzymes? Digestion. Which vitamin deficiency leads to rickets? Vitamin D. What is the process of taking food into the body? Ingestion. Bile juice is secreted by liver. Reverse peristaltic movements occur at the time of vomiting. Eating of food that does not have one or more than one nutrient in required amount is known as malnutrition. Both protein and calorie deficiency in diet leads to, or protein and calorie malnutrition causes marasmus. Which are the water soluble vitamins? B complex and C. Which vitamin deficiency leads to scurvy? Vitamin C. Vitamin B2 deficiency leads to glossitis. What is the process of passage of undigested material from the body by the way of anus? Defecation. Vitamin A deficiency leads to eye diseases, night blindness, xerophthalmia, cornea failure, etc. Who worked on purple sulfur bacteria and found light plays a specific role in photosynthesis? C.B. Van Neel. What are the connecting substances between light reaction and dark reaction? ATP and NADPH. Which food component prevents constipation? Fibers. Which part of the chloroplast trapped the solar energy? Granum. Which vitamin is rich in citrus fruits? Vitamin C. Sphincter that helps in opening the stomach into duodenum. Pyloric sphincter. The enzyme pepsin is a component of gastric juice. Which chemical is kept in the glass bottle in Moll's half-leaf experiment? Potassium hydroxide. Which vitamin is available in morning sun rays? Vitamin D. Write the chemical equation of photosynthesis. CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Chloroplast is green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Wave-like movements in esophagus is called peristaltic movements. Which vitamin deficiency leads to fertility disorders? Vitamin E. Blood vessels and lymph vessels are present in the form of a network in villi. Who hypothesized plants restore the air what breathing animals and burning candle remove? Joseph Priestley. Mouth cracks at corners, red and sore tongue are the symptoms of glossitis. Which vitamin helps in healing of wounds, fracture of bones? Vitamin C. Food in the form of a soft slimy substance where some proteins and carbohydrates have already been broken down is called chyme. Longest part of the alimentary canal is small intestine. Walls of the small intestine secrete intestinal juice called succus entericus. To remove chlorophyll from a leaf, it should be boiled in methylated spirit. In which phase of the photosynthesis carbon dioxide converted into glucose? Biosynthetic phase. Who detected the point of maximum rate of photosynthesis in 20th century? Engelmann. The food synthesized by the plant is stored as starch. Which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? Stomata. Loss of leukocytes is due to the deficiency of dash vitamin. Folic acid. The site of ingestion of food in paramecium is cytostome. Food is cut and crushed by our teeth in the mouth is called mastication. Colorless fluid present in chloroplast is stroma. Splitting of water molecule into H plus and OH minus ions by the light activated chlorophyll is known as photolysis or Hill reaction. Write the chemical equation of photosynthesis proposed by C.B. Van Neel in 1931. CO2 plus 2H2O gives rise to CH2O plus H2O plus O2. Okay, children, study well, grow well, be a good citizen and proud to be an Indian. Thank you.